Okay, we're about to run the VSD. We'll switch the main unit on. Now that enables the over here we've got the power supply for the welder or anything else I want to plug in. Now that is live if I want to use it. Now the other switch down here, that starts up our VSD. As you can see, the 50 up here is the hertz on it. If I can change this, it's now 19. I don't know if you can see very well. I'll put it back up to the top. It's basically ready to run. All I've got to do is hit the green button up here, and off it'll go. So. Now that's it at full pace. I'll show you this is a frequency adjuster. That slows it down quite a bit. Let's get her back up to full speed. I'll turn it off. So that's it running. Now it's going to the fan on that will stay on. That's a sound you can hear. That'll stay on for a little while to cool down the unit. But because it didn't run for very long, I'm not too worried. I can switch it off right now. It's got a little bit of energy left in it, and it'll keep running for a little while. But yeah, that's it. That's my my new single phase to 3-phase variable speed drive unit, all working, and yeah, I'm pretty happy. All I've got to do is put a pressure switch on it now to turn the VSD on and off. I'll get rid of the old controller, and hopefully when I put the copper on the outside, it'll make it look a little bit better. I'll just show you what it looks like with the front cover on, just to keep all its inner workings nice and safe. And there you go. So that's my new air compressor, made for about would have been cheaper to buy maybe a single phase one, but about 120 bucks.